Hello YouTubers! To make things a little bit more simpler, RV Reviews, Upgrades, and Repairs is now known as RV RUR and more. This review is on Fort Meyers, Pine Island, KOA. The park has approximately 368 spots. About 50% of them are capable for 50 amp. They have 4 tent spots and 8 cabins. They have propane available, trash service which they pick up usually about twice in the morning, 7 days a week. They do have extra parking available for guests, although each spot should handle a personal vehicle as well as a guest vehicle. Laundry is open 24 hours a day. Sorry folks, it's actually dawn to dusk, but the laundry room is very clean. I think it probably runs right around $2 for the washer and dryers, not real sure. They also have a card system, it looks like there. Pool is open from dawn until dusk. Like I said, the pool is open from dawn until dusk as well. Very clean, it's well maintained, very spacious, a lot of places for seating. Pool is heated, so it looks like, I believe it's right around 80 to 81 degrees all the time. Hot tubs set at 104 degrees, again very clean, you don't see any foam in it at all, so that makes it rather comfortable. The office and general store has quite a bit to offer for the average camper. A lot of the immediate needs, pop, beer, wine. They also have your necessities like toothpaste, toothbrushes, the usual bathroom needs, a small selection of clothing, also some RV accessories as well as camping accessories. All the spots are concrete slabs and very level. They're also full hookup with power, water, sewer, and cable as well. Wi-Fi is somewhat sketchy. I usually use my own hotspot so I don't have to deal with it. But most people have complaints during the weekends, in the evening hours, and if there's a lot of rigs between the tower and where you're parked. Pets are also welcome in this park. There's bag dispensers as well as waste cans distributed throughout the park, which makes it rather convenient too. Divided up in 2 basic sections, one loop in the front, which appears to be a little bit older possibly, that's my guess. And then the back loop has got several cross streets combined with 3 ponds. Of course, you don't want to swim in the ponds. This is Florida. You may have unwanted guests like alligators. Bathrooms are open 24 hours, although they do have a sign posted that they clean them between 7 and 8 a.m. Vending machines are available at the bathhouse as well. It appears the cabins are relatively new. This is a well-maintained park. They also have facilities available, or they have a security on the gate at night who will be available for late check-in. When we checked in, we had somebody lead us to our spot. I don't think he was totally experienced or had the communication skills to properly tell you how to back into your slot. It's kind of hard to follow his directions. Now, I might not be qualified as an 18-wheel driver, but I can surely follow plenty of instructions, and I can do rather well on my own. This guy was a bit hard to understand. So it took us a few tries just to get back into the spot. Personally, I could have backed into it with one try on my own. Park is very friendly. As you can see, there's a lot of permanent campers or residents here. They have a couple of fish stations. Or I should say fish cleaning stations. Streets are all relatively wide and paved. There seems to be plenty of room in between the spots. There's bigger, but there's certainly, you're not reaching out your camper and shaking hands with the guy next door. I don't know why I seem to pick cloudy days to drive around and do these tours, but that seems to be what it works out to me. Talking to one of the residents, they used to have a lot of events planned, but there was a planning committee and they disbanded, so there's not quite as much as there used to be. Just like most of the other parks in the area, they have everything from small campers to Class B's, Class C's, trailers, fifth wheels, Class A's, just about everything. Pine Island is not a real busy island, but some of the things that you might want to take up or do is, if you're a member, you can join or visit the VFW. Also, the American Legion doesn't require membership and has a real full menu for lunches and dinners. Also, Woody's at the south end of the island has got an awful lot to offer, and it's quite a nice place to sit and enjoy your meal. I really wanted to do this video because there's so many people out there, and even though this has had a lot of positive reviews, the negative reviews seems to be popping up here and there. But there just seem to be more people who are just grumpy anyway. I mean, the park can't help it if you park next to somebody who happens to be a little bit more of a social person where they have parties. But they do have park rules, and there is a quiet time after 10 o'clock until 7 in the morning. I hope you enjoyed this short tour of the Fort Meyers Pine Island KOA. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks for watching.